welcome back to another video from Chris Tech and Games, joined by
Project 29.
Alright, so we're here today to show you the Dell Dimension E521, a brand new character, I guess, to this channel. I still have some things to install to it. It's running Vista right now. A couple things have broken since we have got it, like the hard drive and the CMOS battery, but we've gotten all that fixed and it works. And here's our little setup, a Logitech bundle, which has, if you look, flip this over, have your K270, if you see that, and you got your Logitech M185. So since the hard drive has been replaced, I have installed Vista on it, Vista Ultimate. If you guys want to see me start it up, why don't we go right ahead. Here we are. This is a little, it's turning on right now. You have any comments over there, Project 29?
Nope, other than it's basically the computer that Chris had.
Oh, yeah, that's where that Vista hard drive came from. If you, yep, it's just I don't want to check for. Yeah, that's the drive that failed to the left. This is the 2500 Becht and the 7200.10 right there. Here we are. Vista's starting up. Let's go ahead and do our Control-Alt-Delete to log on. I made a little license agreement. We're going to log on to our user. Alright, here we are, desktop, which is very unorganized right now for some reason. Vista broke it. Here's our... Delete that from the USB. Okay, that's going to be edited out. So here we are. You know what this is, Vista. You've all seen it. You've all loved it. Probably hated it. So here we go. I have some stuff to do. And here's our little screenshots from a virtual machine that I have to do. Those are sounds. This is I have to replace this media folder real quick. Media. Let's go ahead and replace it with this like 3 gig folder, which is 1.31 gigs. So I'm gonna be right back and come back when it's done. Folder is on copying, but now here we are on Windows Media. So we have to open this up. We're gonna go ahead and go to the C/Windows/Media. And I'm only typing with one hand here, so sorry if I'm typing slow. I type way faster than this, so. Here we are, Windows Media. Why don't we just go ahead and copy all this extra stuff that I would like to have. Alright, now that we're back, here we are, Windows Vista again. So yeah, we've done both of these things. Now we're gonna organize our desktop. So we're gonna open with paint.net. Here we are, old paint.net. This is our picture that we need to organize as much as possible like this. So installation requirements is up here, media is below that, and notebook, which is pretty much unusable, is below that. Then we have all of our shortcuts. Why don't we add all these things to the quick launch, which you know what that is in Vista. Let's go ahead and add our shortcuts to the quick launch, and I want to expand that. Okay, how do you expand can you even expand? Okay, hold on. No, let's unlock the, yes, that's good. There we go. Let's expand the quick launch all the way out to there until we're done adding our icons. We need to add WinRAR. We need to add Hilton school's license agreement. That's I made this to be like a school computer rip-off thing. Paint.
School computer rip-off.
Basically. Paint.net. We are. Let's also add. So. Is there anything else I want to add? Not really. Okay, also all these applications are going to be added to the desktop as well. Copy here. Right. Copy here. Let's add, wait, Notepad++ is already there. We want to add, things that, I want to add, I like this, so I'm going to add the switch between Windows and the show desk. Actually, that's useless. Why don't we add Internet Explorer since I have no internet? Okay, let's go ahead.
Wow.
Need to put this down over here. Okay, half of this isn't even like it is. It's supposed to be, but now those are all of our quick launch icons, which I'm gonna bring back over to our quick launch. You know what that is in Vista, I'm pretty sure. Why don't we add algo-do, which doesn't work, but I installed it. Is it added? No. No. I'm definitely gonna edit that out. Alright, so now that we've done that, we have our taskbar, and we're gonna go ahead and open up 2. Here you are. So we've, oh yeah, VLC media. And we add that to here. Copy here. I got to expand this out. Copy here. Alright, there's VLC media player. What else is there? Snipping tool. Let's add that to the quick launch bar. Well, yeah, I hope you like this so far. Sticky notes. I remember this, the old version that was on here, not the one over here in the sidebar, but it's an old version, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, there's all of our stuff. And how about we add a shortcut to here? Oh, it didn't. Whatever. Shortcut. Let's go ahead and add that back. So yeah, there's our applications. Oh, I'm sorry that I was covering up the camera there. There's our applications, and we should probably recycle this. Alright, so now that we're don't save. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to show you what this is so far. This is an unformatted partition that one of my applications created while I was trying to clone the virtual machine, but didn't work. It's a 34 gigabytes left out of 60 gigs. These are our drivers. So how about we just quickly format this actually. Here, let's see if I can open up disk management. Disk. I forgot. Disk. Yeah, I'm gonna turn. Okay, so we're gonna format this drive here, which we're gonna format with NTFS. 405 gigs. Start. So here we are, guys. Yeah, I got the drive formatted here. So now that we're done with this, we're gonna close out the window. We're gonna go ahead and shut down Vista.